On this truck, it's a 2024 TRX. This baby's supercharged 6.2 liter, 700 horsepower. Fun. The customer wanted the Mac Daddy PPF job. So what we did, every painted surface, whether it's red or black, as long as it's painted, it is PPF'd on this truck. Here at Colby Co., we like to give you the best product we possibly can. To start off on this particular truck, it started in the wash bay like much of our other projects that we have here. You get a full decontamination wash, a towel dry before it even enters this building. Prior to entering this building, we clean the floors with our floor machine, we dust everything, we make sure there is the least amount of stuff in this building to contaminate the project we're working on. On the front of this TRX is absolutely covered in film. From your headlights to your fog lights, your bumpers, the entire hood, your entire fender, protected from rock chips. The entire truck gets polished. No matter what, 0 miles, 100,000 miles, you are getting a polish. After the polish, truck gets cleaned up, ready for PPF. That PPF gets laid down. On this particular truck, we were able to wrap 90% of the edges, which means every place you see a gap, that film is tucked in behind. We also debadged everything. Like every other vehicle, if the film is going to run under a badge, any of these, we are taking them off prior to washing your vehicle. We then clean the areas that they were on, lay the PPF, and put your badges back on. We skip no steps. These are factory OEM badges that we replace your old ones with, put the old ones back in the packaging, and you get to take them home. So here at Colby Co., we like to provide you, the customer, with a 110% correct vehicle before you pull out that door. In order to do so with this truck, we take and we pull off all the door seals. What do these door seals do? These door seals hide dirt. Whether the car is brand new or has 100,000 miles on it, there is dirt behind here. So in order to lay the film down correctly, all the door seals get pulled off. The hood seals, anything that has a rubber gasket will be removed. Once removed, we clean behind it to ensure proper adhesion between the PPF and the door. If you do not get that proper adhesion, you may get something called a finger. What is a finger? A finger is a ripple in the film that allows dirt and water to get behind it. That then turns into the PPF failing, and nobody wants failing PPF. This particular series of film, Reaction, from Suntech, offers a 12-year warranty. That warranty covers any bubbling, cracking, or yellowing that may happen. Here at Colby Co., we like to provide you with the best service before, during, and after the truck leaves. That service would include 3-4 weeks after you get your vehicle back, we'd like you to come back in for a complimentary wash and checkup. That checkup looks over the entire truck, top to bottom, front to back, to guarantee you that we did the best job we could before it left the first time. After that, we like to set up yearly look-arounds. You bring the truck back whenever available, we look it around, make sure everything is still perfect. A year from now, 2 years from now, we want you to drive down the road knowing that you are driving the best looking vehicle you could possibly have. If you want the best quality paint protection film, ceramic coatings, or window tint, you give Colby Co. a call, 570-765-2249. Don't like to talk? Shoot us a text. We'll answer that too. Or shoot us an email at colbycoservicecenter@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Instagram. Like our post, we appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next video.